We're going to plant in this raised bed, we're going to plant some strawberries that are in peat pots. These pots are made out of peat moss. They're biodegradable, and they eliminate transplant shock, which is a primary problem with most plants. The only thing that has to be done is there's a plastic ridge around the top, which may or may not, depending on what you're going to do, need to be removed. Once you remove that and dig the hole, you plant the plant. There's a few roots coming out of the bottom. You plant the plant directly, and the pot actually turns into fertilizer. I'm going to plant it close to the edge over here, not too deep. Strawberries, you can't plant the crown or the growing point of a strawberry under the ground or below surface, because if it stands water on it, it'll rot. So that right there is all there is to it. That plant will never experience any transplant shock. I have some spinach here, which is grown in a traditional, what's called a 9-pack. And in order to get it out, you have to work around the pot itself. And when you pull the plant out, you've exposed the entire root system to the air. And this root system is going to take a while to reestablish itself and make contact with the planting medium. Therefore, it's going to experience some transplant shock. A lot of how much it experiences has a whole lot to do with how good a job you do keeping it watered and putting on a starter fertilizer or something that will slow down the stress that's associated with transplant. I mean, it's just like being born. So a peat pot, if you can get them, they're a lot more expensive. If you can get them, are a way to fly, because you can eliminate transplant shock completely.